DJM TV.
My metalicious person, I welcome you once again to another edition of your favorite show, DJM TV Daily News Update. That your one-stop place where you get all the better gist them where they happen inside our Obodo, Nigeria, and all around the world. I want to thank all of you who don't subscribe to this YouTube channel, and those of you who say they yet to subscribe, because I hope say before the end of this video you go don't hit on the subscribe button and you go don't turn on the notification bell. Also, a very big thank you to all of you who follow us on our other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We thank you now where as not follow us. In case you never follow us, if you go search us on Facebook, search us on Instagram, and also for Twitter, you go see us there for DJM TV. Now to the Ogbonge story where we carry come. Some time ago, we report given and say on the 2nd of March 2021, the AstraZeneca vaccine for the Koro matter, he arrived in Nigeria via Emirates Airlines, and the Minister for Health and other government officials they did on ground to receive the vaccine as it enter our country. Shortly after the vaccine entered Nigeria, they called one small get-together party, one small reception party to take welcome the vaccine enter the country. Say because say a better thing that they say don't enter the country. Now, government don't roll out plan on how they want to give people this vaccine. Now, like for many other countries, like what we know, what we see for television, what did they suck be say? Now, the Oga Presido, now they be the first person to collect the vaccine to take assure everybody for the country say the vaccine is safe and they good for human use. Now, the Oga for National Primary Healthcare Development Agency for Nigeria, Oga for AS HE DEY HOT, now called talk and say the agency don't dey ready to roll out the vaccination plan for inside Nigeria, and the doctor say now health workers now go be the first set of people to receive the vaccine. Unlike what we get for other countries, when it be like say now the president and there was a bit number one when they receive the vaccine to assure people say it is safe. But for Nigeria case, they say now frontline workers, that's the health workers there, especially those for the COVID facilities for inside Nigeria, and then I will be the first set of people to receive the vaccine. Meanwhile, say on the 6th of March, 9 Oga Presido and Vice Presido them will receive their own on top live television. The National Primary Healthcare Development Agency for inside Nigeria don't roll out their plan where they call teach strategy to to reach out to people for the vaccination. And they don't also open their own website. They be like, say, people will want take the vaccine, go fit register online, so they will know where and where they will fit take go collect the vaccine and the time when they fit go receive the vaccine. Now, the way they roll out the plan for the vaccination for Nigeria, now be this. The vaccination they divided into 4 phases. The first phase now for health workers, front line workers, those where they inside the Koro facilities them, and then I will be the first set of people who will receive the vaccine, followed by Oga Presido and Vice Presido for National TV. Then the second phase will be old people who like they get underlying disease, like we will feel they vulnerable to this Koro matter, and then I will be the next set of people who will take the vaccine. Why the third phase where they talk now, those that they below 50, they never old, but they get 1 or 2 akamuka inside their body where if it make their immune system weak. That's that part of their body where they fight sickness. Where if you make that part weak, those people then that will be the third set of people when you go take the vaccine. Then after so go the fourth phase where be like say every other person, whether you get underlying factor or not, go feel come for because say I want to take this AstraZeneca vaccine, then they will give them. But not forgetting that 3.92 million doses of this AstraZeneca vaccine now land Nigeria on the 2nd of March 2021. And for now, government they say because say they receive them freely, these ones will be free. But probably the next set, people go pay small money put you understand that kind of matter. But then they talk say healthline workers na go be the first to take vaccine, while oga presido and vice presido go be second. And they say that they hope say once Nigerians see say oga presido don take him own shot of the vaccine, and even vice presido, they hope say Nigerians go dey receptive. I don speak big oyibo for them. And they hope say Nigerians go accept us. Okay, no, we take her. Don't say some people get reservation about this vaccination of a thing. So people get reservation about that before. So and they hope say once oga person don take you for live TV, every other person will fit gather and say, yeah, we go collect our own shot of the vaccine. Then they go say the way they go take distribute these vaccines among states. Now, first of all, the first vaccination center for Nigeria will be National Hospital for Abuja. Then they'll go look how cases they be for each state and the preparedness of the states. Oyibo again. And preparedness means say how the state they don't ready to store this vaccine. Now you know say this vaccine they dey for here hot, na very cold place. That means say they need better cooling system and they need better lights wey dey cool the vaccine. Another thing again be say many of the countries they go try use a plane take carry the vaccine while they put am for cooling session or something go dey cool am. But they say for those states wey be like say flight no go fit reach where the vaccination centers dem they go by road, but they go use something like maybe cooling van. It might that could not be cooling van, but something like that where they get very strong cooling system. Now they'll take transport the vaccines then go the various states. Now it doesn't say any state will never get facility where they keep the vaccine. They don't give the state the vaccine until they don't ready. But don't forget now Lagos now the epicenter for this whole matter. That's to say by our own prediction, that means that Lagos that will be the first state where will receive their own share from the 3.92 million doses of the AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine. Also, the Oga Kpata of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency for inside Nigeria, Oga Fasal, does talk about the teach strategy where they will use to give a roll out the vaccination to all Nigerians. Teach, T-E-A-C-H. Now, the T whatever for there, it stands for the traditional vaccination campaign rollers. You know that kind of thing they go where they do their own jingle, they know how they do the matter. And then the second one will be E, talk about the electronic self-registration. Now, the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency of Nigeria don't come out with a link, a website will be like say, you go fit go there, go register for yourself to take collect the vaccine. You understand? So that one I be the E, only you go register for yourself to take collect this vaccine. And then the A talk about assisted electronic registration of eligible Nigerians. So those who don't get access to internet, those who don't fit do this, whether it's big computer things, somebody will go help them, register them to take collect the vaccine, to do the registration online. Now the C talk about the committant vaccination alongside electronic registration. So why they do am like side by side, you know that kind of thing now, body gun body, they don't start the vaccination, but people still they register. Then the H for them talk about the house to house campaign for the vaccination. You understand the matter? House to house electronic registration. Make people go register. So those who not get access to internet, those who say I better not fit my business, so I better not fit come out for house. So and those people that will go meet from door to door. Because you won't collect more will register so that you go know the venue, you go know the day, and you go know the time when you take go collect your coronavirus vaccine. One of us not be everywhere they say they wanted to do this vaccination. They said they go set up strategic places for each state where people go fit go, they go collect the vaccine, and as the case may be. They also they hope say as Oga Bubu collect you, Nigerians will be receptive. Now, not forget say not be Nigeria be the first country where don't receive this COVID-19 vaccine. When Nigeria want to collect their own vaccination when it comes to both the president and then the governors, they say that health workers like will be the first to collect. Meanwhile, for African countries like Ghana, now their president first collect the vaccine. You dey see am so. Even for Cote d'Ivoire, we don't receive this vaccine. Now their president then first collect the vaccine. But it don't reach Nigeria turn and they say now health workers and then important pass Oga Presido. This is the first time why they hear say health workers for Nigeria important pass president. You dey feed, but you dey feed the matter, you dey get what I talk. You dey get am. Health workers don't important pass Oga Bubu for Nigeria. The same health workers wey no go fit take care of am when e no well. They don't be superheroes now, and then I go be the first to receive vaccine. Meanwhile, when this AstraZeneca vaccine when it lands for Nigeria, so now that don't carry about two of the doses, go their lab, go test them whether it is safe for us to collect. Then when now I don't say thumbs up, okay, you guys can go ahead and collect it. Now health workers now go be the first set of people for inside Nigeria to collect them. You dey feel are you thinking what I am thinking? You know the matter. Health workers will collect them, then a day after, before Oga Bubu will collect them, so that not everything talk like you know now but you dey feel the matter. How you see this thing? For the very first time in Nigeria, health workers are important pass Presido. Meanwhile, other countries, US and other countries, even for Africa, those who don't receive the doses of their own share of the vaccines, now they are Presido be first to collect the vaccine. Now it reach Nigeria, they say that health workers they go be first. How you see the matter? It makes sense. People say, Oga Bubu, now you go first collect, we no go feel, we not be chance you, you understand? We cannot take your position as a president in the country. Sir, you have to be the first person to collect this something. Are you feeling me, my people? So you shook mouth put anything you talk, they rest assured say we dey read your comment, and anything wey dey for there like this, we dey very sure say e dey go far sake of say we get very wide reach on top of this our ogbonge channel. Make you not forget say this na still DJM TV daily news update, and this na where you dey get all the better gist dem. You understand the matter? When something happen, we no just dey talk am once dey leave am. We dey follow the matter till the ending. We dey make sure say we see the end of the story. We thank una wey don subscribe. Then you will never subscribe. You when they look me, so you never subscribe. What do you dey wait for? Just use your hand to touch the subscribe button. Just touch am. They call that there. Touch am. When you do that, make touch that bell. So that when we drop story, you will be one of the first persons to. That's not what you look to the way how your mate better pass you. You don't know. You touch that thing there. Touch the notification bell. That bell they drop for the touch am. So that as we drop it, like you will be one of the first person to know say better. It don't land on top DJM TV daily news update. Well, me when they bring you this news, so my name is Lauro Favor, and I tell you say health is wealth. When it comes to matter of health, nobody important pass anybody. All of us na equal for health matter. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates are asked the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.